In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. Now, these are not those glasses, although they could be mistaken for them because they look pretty much identical, to be honest, to what I've seen in the release videos. Now, my question to you today, which I think is an interesting one, is obviously we're at the beginning of the end of mobile phones as the mass consumer device as a whole. I'm sure it won't be long, probably within the next 3 or 4 years, where we will all be wearing smart glasses and consuming more content that way. Gone will be the days of people sat on the tube staring at their, what I was once told, an idiot box, being your phone, which I thought was an absolutely brilliant way of describing a phone. That was a farmer that had come into London and it looked like it was his first time in London. So describing a phone as an idiot box, because he gazed around the carriage on the train and everyone was staring into their idiot boxes. Absolutely brilliant. I always remember that. Anyway, back on track. The beginning of the end of the mobile phone for mass consumers. I think we will be seeing a lot more of this type of device in the near future. Now, the thing that concerns me is, obviously there's laws that govern you driving with a mobile phone or not using a mobile phone. How are they going to police these glasses? Because although these glasses I'm wearing look very similar to the Meta glasses, they're not those. So how much wasted police resources are there going to be? People being pulled over thinking they're wearing Meta glasses, or Apple are going to produce a pair of glasses very similar. There's going to be AI VR glasses that are going to be reduced down in size. How are they going to start policing these? Are they going to build in something to the glasses themselves? So if it senses motion, they can't work. But that wouldn't make any sense if you're on a plane or passenger in a car or something. Anyway, it's just food for thought because we're approaching all this new technology, and the more technology that gets developed, the more sort of policies that need to be getting put in place and laws, etc. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think about this. I just raised a question with you. I'm very interested in them, not just for the screen, but more for the translation. And I know you can do that on the current ones. When we're traveling through Italy, it'd be really handy to have AI glasses that do translate in real time. It would also help me to be able to see the words. So again, seeing that on the screen in the glasses would really help. And also translating street signs and things. But yeah, food for thought, as I mentioned. Let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.